Hello everyone. I am Shalimi Bagas, Quarter 4, Module 4, Probability and Predicting Outcomes. What is probability? Probability is used to describe how likely or unlikely something to happen. Ito yung ginagamit sa pagde-describe. It is a number that we use to describe and express likelihood. Ito yung number na ginagamit natin, for example, 0%, 25%, 50%, and 100%. It helps us decide how often something is expected to happen. Mapredict natin kung gaano ba kadalas mangyari ang isang pangyayari. Kaya meron tayong two categories. The first one is less probable than not and more probable than not. Ang less probable than not na binong dito ang 0%, 25%, and 50%. And sa more probable than not naman ay 75% and 100%. Mas malaki yung tsansa or merong tsansa na mangyari ang isang phenomenon. Meron tayong 0%, impossible to happen. Example, it will snow in the Philippines tomorrow. 0% lang yung ang ating probability. Bakit? Kasi Philippines is tropical country tayo. Impossible na mag-snow yung Philippines. That's why 0% lang yung probability natin dahil hindi naman talaga mag-snow ang Philippines. Kaya 0% lang yun. Impossible to happen. The next one is 1/4. 0.25 or 25%. Unlikely to happen. Example, the likelihood that two people in any group of 15 will have the same birthday. Meaning 25% lang yung probability nila kasi hindi naman talaga sure na meron talagang magkapareho ng birthday sa 15 katao. Pwede ding magkapareho ng birthday pero mas malaki yung chance na wala talagang magkapareho ng birthday kasi 25% lang siya. Unlikely to happen. The next one is 1/2 or 0.50% or 50%. As likely or as unlikely or equally to happen. For example, the weather forecaster says there is 50% chance of rain today. Ibig sabihin 50% lang yung chance. Pwede siyang umulan, pwede namang hindi umulan. That's why 50% yung probability niya equally to happen. Okay? The next is more probable than not. 3/4, 0.75 or 75% likely to happen. For example, the sports analysts say that Manny Pacquiao has 75 chance of winning his fight. 75% lang yung chance na mananalo si Manny Pacquiao. Is likely to win his fight does not mean he will win the fight. Hindi naman natin sure na tama yung analyst. Kasi ang sinabi ng analyst is 75% lang siya na mananalo si Manny Pacquiao. Kaya meron pang 25% na hindi mananalo si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi naman natin masasabi na mali yung analyst kasi yung sinabi lang niya is 75% lang na mananalo si Manny Pacquiao. That's why 75% lang yung chance na mananalo si Manny Pacquiao kaya likely to happen. The 1%, 1 or 100% certain to happen. For example, the sun will rise from the east. So mangyayari talaga siya. So 100% yung probability natin kasi mag-rise talaga ang sun sa east, hindi naman sa west. So ngayon, iti-test natin ang ating pinag-aralan. Kaya may inihanda akong mga katanungan. So, pre-test. Number 1 is the sun sets in the east. So, ano siya? Pipili lamang kayo sa 0%, impossible to happen, 25%, unlikely to happen, 50%, equally to happen, and 75% likely to happen, and 100% certain to happen. So, ano kaya ang sagot? So, the sun set in the east. So, what is your answer? Ang sun daw, mag-set daw siya sa east. So, the answer is 0%. So, imposible na mangyari na mag-set ang sun sa east. Ang mag-set talaga yung sun sa west, hindi talaga sa east. Okay? So, the second one is a pregnant woman with a big and round stomach may have a baby girl. What is your answer? So, the answer is 50% equally to happen. Bakit? 50% lang yung tsansa natin na hindi natin masasabi na babae ba o lalaki yung magiging kanyang anak. So, may dalawang choices tayo. Pwedeng babae, pwede ding lalaki. So, 50-50. That's why 50% na pwedeng mangyayari na ang anak niya ay babae at 50% naman na lalaki. So, that's why 50% yung probability natin equally to happen. So, the last one is the jeepney that runs is likely to meet an accident. So, what is your answer? So, the answer is 25%. So, or unlikely happen kasi hindi naman lahat ng tumatakbong sasakyan dyan ay madidisgrasya. So, minimal lang yung mga nadidiscuss siya kasi 25% lang yung ilalagay natin. So, the fourth one is the earthquake occur, there will be a tsunami. So, the answer is 25% or unlikely, meron talagang chance, meron talagang maliit na chance na mangyayari ang isang pangyayari. So, merong chance na mangyayari siya kapag mag-earthquake, mag-tsunami then maliit lang yung chance na mangyayari dahil 25% lang yung probability natin. So, that's all for today. Thank you.